I'm going to run down this song Waiting in Line by Kiwi Jr. Kiwi Jr. is the band. Waiting in Line. That's the verse is that little riff which is a C chord. I believe this is also how the song starts. It's the introduction. So we're doing a little walk down. On the D string, we play the 3rd fret, which is your F note. Then we go to the 2nd fret, and then open. Followed immediately by the A string at the 3rd fret, which is your C note. So after you play that 4th note on the walk down, then you strum the C chord. Then you mute it because you have to play the individual notes. And it goes to the chorus. Waiting in line, you and me for the very first time. Waiting in line for you. All right, that's starts on the F. I'm just playing a 3-chord F, or 3 string F shape, which is just the index finger on the B string at the 1st fret, middle finger on the G string at the 2nd fret, and ring finger on the D string at the 3rd fret. And I'm just playing those 3 notes. Play the F bar chord. Doesn't sound good if you play this. Mute the high E. F, G. This is the chorus. F, G. You and me. C. That's the 3rd chord is C. The 4th chord is A minor. For the very first time. Then it repeats. F, waiting in line. Then just goes right to the C and stays on the C. For you. No A minor the 2nd time around. Then I think it repeats one more time. Wait, see, I played the high E, it didn't sound good. Waiting in line, you and me for the very first time. Last time, I'm not sure what they're saying. Funny lyrics though. I like the line. He says, "She promises to pay you back. How could you trust a hippie like that?" That's a good lyric. All right. Anyways, I got sidetracked there. That's the chorus, and then it's just back to the C riff. And then the only other part of the song is there's a bridge towards the end. Goes just the E minor, very dramatic. D minor. All right, and then that's the final piece of this song. Yeah, and maybe the riff starts on the C. Of course, you're playing the C chord too, so. however you want. That's how I play it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Helps me with YouTube. Bye.